Alright, let's go out and shoot some cars. But before we do that, I want to show you a fun little toy I got. So this is the Insta360 1R, one of the newest little cameras I can add to my collection. So like the name entails, this is a 360 camera. Whether you're trying to record you or somebody else, you can get everything in the frame. So what I'm going to do is bring this along with us today, and hopefully we should get some pretty sick POV shots. Photos are going to come out sick, so I'll see you out there. We just pulled the car in this spot back here. It's kind of weird looking from the outside, but the photos that I'm getting from it are sick. Using my circular polarizer to take off all the reflections. I like those ones. Those are pretty sick. What was that? Oh, hey, Jared.
You know we're out here getting the photos.
Oh, yeah.
It's a cool little spot for it.
I like it. I might bring some other stuff back here. So that was a little bit of footage from the Insta360 1R. I actually really like this camera. The footage that comes out of it is pretty cool. You'll probably see a lot more of this stuff in the future. And one of the coolest things about this camera, actually, let me go grab it real fast. So the other thing about this camera is modular. So you got the brains here, camera here, and the battery here. Take off the battery, take these apart. Then we can grab this 4K wide angle, stick that to this right here. We'll take our battery pack, add our battery pack back. Boom, there you go. Now you got a regular kind of GoPro, and you still have your 360 lens right here. That's one of the parts that I think is actually really cool about this camera. So expect a lot more of that in the future. All right, tune in next time, and maybe we'll have a special guest. Also, if you like this video, share it with one of your friends, and let me know what you think of the photos and the vlogs and how they turned out. So, see you next time. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes of what exactly goes into my talking head. So we have the Canon 80D, Sigma 18135, and then I got my monitor here. And this is what you used to be seeing as. And then just like a softbox here, a little bit of a bounce. And then one of these like RGB stick lights, and I got it set to blue. And I got the contrast in color. I have a LumeCube panel mini just kind of taped to the wall right here with some gaff tape, and that's doing a low like 3200 Kelvin light on the side, contrasting the blue, and yeah, that's it.